Welcome to the chart. So we are only going to look into the price actions of the major pairs for this London session. So we should keep in mind that institutions, the market movers, they buy to sell and they sell to buy. Following from this, so the first thing we are going to look into is the trend of the day. So we are going to have a preconceived idea if we are going to be buying to sell or selling to buy. As you can see on USD JPY, we have a clear uptrend on the 5 minutes as price is creating series of higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows and higher highs. Following from this, we can expect price to reject from these other blocks. As you can see, this red box right here, this is another block, this is another block. So if price breaks this resistance, we can expect price to move up here for retesting of another resistance and for price to drop further down. On Euro USD, you can see on the 5 minutes right here on the euro, we have a clear downtrend as price is creating series of lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs and a lower low. Following from this, we can expect price to sell to buy. So we expect a rejection from this other block right here as price is retesting this block. If this support is broken, we can look for price to come to this second support or this fair value gap right here, as the case may be. On USD CHF, which is another majors, we can see on the 5 minutes price is on a clear uptrend. We can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Following from this, we can expect price to buy to sell, as the market movers, they sell when the market is buying and they buy when the market is selling. So you can expect price to retest from this resistance right here or this second resistance or this resistance right here for a further drop down, as the case may be. However, tomorrow, never rely on today's analysis as the market is ever changing and the pattern could be different tomorrow. So right here on AUD USD on the 5 minutes, we can see price is on a clear downtrend. As you can see, lower lows, higher lows, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. Following from this, we can expect the Australian dollar to buy as it is retesting a demand zone here, or if this support is broken, we can expect for price to rally further down and retest this fair value gap, this fair value gap, or this other block, as the case may be. So on other majors right here, on a NZD USD, you can see prices in a clear downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. So we expect price to sell to buy, and we can expect price to retest this other block right here. And you have this zone right here. So if price retests this other block, we expect price to jump up, as these zones have lots of demand sitting there, and that's where price is likely approaching. So these red boxes, they are strong zones where price is likely going to reject from. So another majors we have right here is GBP USD, and on the 5 minutes we can see price is in a clear downtrend. You can see lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and we can see price accumulating right here. So we expect price to retest this king order block. However, this is not a perfect king order block. There's a king order block right here, and if this king order block is broken, you can expect price to come to another block here. If we go to the 1 hour, we are going to likely find another block in this zone. Let's go to the 1 hour. This second zone marked, you see another block there. However, for the sake of time, let us move further, and you can see right here on gold, you can see on the 5 minutes gold is in a downtrend, so we expect gold to buy to move further up. Following from this, we can expect gold to retest these zones for a push further up. And mind you, just because gold is in an all-time high doesn't mean price cannot rally further up. because traders have the misconception that once the trend is already up, then it has to go down. The market has to give an indication that it is going back to a downtrend. Likewise, the market has to give an indication that it is going still in the direction of the trend. So you as a trader, you should never think for the market and allow the market to show you where it is heading to. Now let us analyze BTC USD. Yes, BTC USD. So BTC USD in the 5 minutes, you can see price is in a clear downtrend, lower lows, lower highs, lower low. Let us go to the 4 hour. So from the 4 hour, we expect a sell to buy. So we are going to be expecting a rejection from this zone. So price is retesting this other block. If this other block fails, we can expect price to retest this other block as well. So that is that for that. Plan your trade, trade your plan, and most importantly, manage your risk.